Hello there. In this guide, you will learn about various hardware and system configurations so you can find the best pre-built gaming PC. Pre-built gaming PCs are an ideal option for those who want the advantages of a gaming PC but don't want to build one. These machines comes in a broad range of hardware configurations designed to support all levels of performance. If you are gearing up to buy a pre-built system, the following information is designed to help you make an informed decision. This covers some of the primary considerations when choosing a pre-built PC, including case design and aesthetics, or how to choose a case that fits your gaming environment, your visual preferences, and has the feature set you need, system performance, or an overview of the components you need for gaming. I will also cover ports and connectivity or the additional features you need for connecting external devices and to the internet. Gaming PCs comes in different dimensions and a wide variety of visual styles. Many of these differences are functional, such as space or cooling considerations, while others are purely aesthetic. Unless you have unique size considerations, mid-tower or ATX cases are often the best all-around choice for a gaming system. They are the most common configuration for pre-built systems and can support a wide variety of components, including large graphic cards or cooling systems. If you do need to work on the system, the design of these cases can make it easier than on some of the more compact options. That said, you should think about where you want to put your PC. Mini towers or micro ATX cases and small form factor PCs may be better options for those with limited space. Thought the smaller size might mean proprietary hardware or more compact internal configurations that are harder to upgrade. The trade-off might be worth it if a smaller footprint is preferable for your setup. Outside of the size of the case, other design decisions should factor into your purchasing decision. Front panel connectivity is important. Ensure the front panel has enough quick access USB or audio port for connecting to peripherals and devices that frequently need to be unplugged, like controllers, phones, headphones, and external storage. Otherwise, you might have to connect them to the back of the system, which can be more difficult to access depending on your setup. Rear panel connectivity also important. Likewise, the back panel should have sufficient ports for devices that stays plugged in long term, like your monitor, Ethernet connection, mouse, and keyboard. Think about the devices that you will be using or that you want to use later on and ensure the system you are considering supports them. Future upgradability is important. Consider a large case if you are interested in tinkering with the system. Thought you can certainly still work on smaller systems. Compact configurations tend to be more complex and potentially more challenging than the standard ATX build. If future upgrades are a consideration, a more spacious cases also means more flexibility when it comes to large hardware. Not all pre-built systems are designed to be open, however, so consult any relevant warranties before attempting to work on a system for the first time. Cooling and airflow is also important. Gaming desktops use various methods to keep the components inside sufficiently cool, and the more powerful the hardware, the more important proper cooling becomes. A pre-built system will likely have been pre-built with a cooling system appropriate for the component inside. This means it shouldn't be too much of a concern unless you are planning to upgrade later. Gaming desktops frequently feature transparent side panels that provide a window view of your system inner working. There are pros and cons to the materials used in these panels. Panels made of tempered glass are easier to clean and more resistant to scratching, while acrylic panels are lighter and more durable. Cosmetic options such as user control interior and front panel lighting can add flair to your setup and may allow you to adjust features to your liking. Different brands and configurations have distinct visual styles, and thought those options are often purely cosmetic and don't impact performance. It is a worthy consideration. Pre-built gaming PCs are capable of delivering an excellent PC gaming experience, provided the components can deliver the experience you want. Performance in-game and out is directly tied to the capabilities of the system CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage. To get a sense of what hardware configuration you need, come up with a list of a few games you want to play, taking note of their system requirements. Then check those requirements against PC specification while shopping. A build that meets the recommended requirements should be able to run the game well, while going above the requirements for the CPU and GPU can future improve in-game performance. If you want to experience games at higher resolution and frame per second, it is especially important to pay attention to CPU and GPU specs. Once you figure out your performance expectations, ask yourself how those expectations align with your budget. Chances are there is a pre-built system out there that strikes the right balance. Having capable CPU in your system is essential. The CPU is the core of your system and impacts every facet of your experience. So it is important to find a CPU that aligns with how you will be using your system. To ensure you are able to take advantage of many benefits provided by the modern CPU, go with the latest Intel Core processor for gaming or AMD processor for gaming. They have important features like higher core counts and clock speeds and support for technologies like Wi-Fi 6. Something else to consider is whether you want to overclock. Overclocking can be an exciting way to feature increase your CPU performance, and it is easier to do than ever. If you want to overclock, ensure you select a system with an unclocked CPU. Look for the Intel Core processors with K letters after the processor number to determine if the CPU is overclockable. A dedicated GPU is ideal for playing most modern games. GPUs offer a wide range of performance from high-end to entry-level, so be sure to research a GPU's capabilities, especially if you are looking for high resolution, frame rates, or graphics settings. Additionally, you want to ensure your monitor and CPU are aligned with the GPU's level of performance. Research other people's experience with the GPU you're considering and compare it to the minimum and the maximum system requirements of the game you are looking to play. The right GPU largely depends on kind of monitor you'll be using. Playing at higher resolutions requires more graphical performance, as does playing at higher refresh rates. If you plan on using a 4K monitor, a 1440p monitor, or a higher refresh rate gaming monitor, you'll want to build a high performance CPU and GPU. If 1080p is sufficient, your options open up considerably. When considering Random access memory (RAM) in a pre-built gaming desktop capacity is usually the primary concern, with more being better. Choose at least 16 GB capacity of RAM. Many modern pre-built gaming PCs come with at least 16 GB installed, as this amount is often considered a good starting point for running modern games alongside other applications. Some pre-builds might have 8 GB or even 32 GB on the high end. Less than 16 GB of RAM might result in performance issues when playing newer games, while 32 GB is ideal if you are running several applications in addition to gaming. While capacity is usually the most important consideration when choosing RAM, speed is another factor to think about. RAM with speed in excess of 3000 MHz can have a moderately positive impact on in-game performance, but the benefits are generally much less pronounced than those gained from a faster CPU and GPU. Your choice of storage impacts not only how many games and programs you can install at once, but also speed at which the system can access installed data. Faster storage can reduce load time in games, allow your system to boot up faster, and enable applications like email, media players, and web browsers to launch faster. Most modern pre-built systems come with solid-state drives as their primary storage, which are much faster than older hard disk drives. If you have the choice between the hard disk drive or solid-state drive as your primary storage, and solid-state drive is almost always preferable, you want enough storage space to hold your games, your operating system, and any other software you want to install. Some new games can require over 100 gigabytes of storage space apiece, and storage requirements are likely to increase over time. A 500 gigabyte primary storage drive is a good place to start, with more being better. Having two storage drives is a great solution to storage space limitations, and this is a popular configuration in pre-built PCs. It allows you to use the faster solid-state drive for storing your operating system and game library, while storing less used files on the slower, higher capacity hard disk drive. The types of port and connectivity options that come with gaming desktop are not always the same. Take a moment to read through the specs and verify that the system you are considering can support your devices and your connectivity preferences. Here are some pointers for selecting a PC with an operated assortment of ports and connectivity features. External monitors connect to the ports on the back of a PC, usually to the GPU in a gaming system. The most common types of display connections are HDMI and DisplayPort. Gaming monitors may require specific port specifications to take advantage of higher refresh rate or resolutions, so be sure to check the compatibility when making your selection. It is useful to have ample high-speed port for connecting mouse, headsets, external storage devices, and other peripherals. Some specifics that are good to know when looking at the specs. Revision number like 2.0, 3.0, or 3.2 reflect the port data transfer speed, with higher being the more recent and typically faster. Classifications like Type A and Type C refer to the shape of the connector. You likely want some of each type, and the wider variety likely the better. Not all desktops support Bluetooth out of the box, but many accessories that use Bluetooth or wireless functionalities will come with the USB dongle to allow for their use, even if this is the case. If you plan on using wireless accessories, confirm that they come with a dongle or that the PC supports Bluetooth. This information will be listed in the specs. An audio port on the front panel is convenient for connecting headphones or speakers that require a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Many modern audio solutions such as gaming headsets and speaker systems use USB to connect. Another reason to prioritize a high number of compatible USB ports. Though many newer gaming desktops support Wi-Fi, some only provide Ethernet ports for a wired connection to the internet. If you need wireless connectivity, check that it is listed in the specs. It may be referred to as WLAN in some instances. For faster wireless connection and optional compatibility with the latest wireless routers and devices, look for Wi-Fi 6 support. For fast wired connections up to 1 gigabit per second speed, look for gigabit internet. Choosing the right preview desktop isn't just about spending the most money, it is also about carefully considering the different components that make up the system and matching them to your needs. Now that you know how to find the right case, right component, and the right connectivity option, put your knowledge to use and find the preview gaming PC that's perfect for you. That is it for this guide. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.